Hey y'all, so I just wanted to share with y'all my office grocery haul that I'm gonna put in my refrigerator. That's down here. That's a small heater up there. When it gets cold, I plug the heater in. But here's my haul. I have a 6-pack of Diet Coke. Cherries were on sale. I got a pack of cheddar and sour cream flavored chips, Ripple. I got the plain Ripple potato chips, Piggly Wiggly brand. I brought some granola, some light strawberry Greek yogurt. So I'm going to mix that in with the yogurt for breakfast. And this watermelon had looked so good, y'all. So I got the 4 slices of watermelon, some water that I had in the car, and then I bought some Fresca. I have another pack of Fresca that's in the cart, but this is all what I brought with me in the office. So this is gonna go in my refrigerator. So yesterday I had Subway, so I bought a foot-long sub. So I ate half for lunch yesterday, and so I'm gonna eat the other half today. So I told y'all I was gonna give y'all a tour one day of my refrigerator. So y'all don't laugh because it ain't much in here. But this is what it's looking like inside my refrigerator. I got that sub, some ale. I love to snack on pickles. So we got dill pickles, bread and butter pickles, mustard, sweet relish, a thing of jelly that's hiding back there, a couple of sodas. And in the door, we have some Italian dressing, ketchup, sub sandwich, oil and vinegar, and some slices of cheese. So much of nothing. So all of this stuff may not even really fit in my refrigerator, but because it's a little small, I think they call this a 1 cube. But I'm gonna get as much as I can get in there, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I get everything in there. All right, y'all, so this is the end results of my haul. I got everything in there. I wasn't able to fit all of it, but I got the cherries, the watermelon, the Fresca, the waters, the Diet Coke, and the yogurt. I was able to get that put in there, and that's how it looks. The drinks here in my office are $1. So I paid 3 6-packs for $12 from Piggly Wiggly. So you really can't beat that. This is where the extra stuff is at in my drawer. So I got the extra chips, extra drinks, and the granola over in the back. And then these are just some crackers that I already had in there. And then in this drawer, I got like little bowls, soup, some cookies, stuff like that when I don't feel like running out because it's hot. Packs of little chicken, Vienna sausages, Vienna sausage bites. So this is my little stash, y'all. Show y'all what I got in there. So, and then this is like just ketchup, mustard, whatever that hot sauce was left over. I got salt and pepper. I don't use the salt. The salt is not even open. I just use the pepper. And that is it. Saving a little bit of money at the same time. And then this is what I got for lunch. I got the other half of that sub from yesterday, cold cut, with light lettuce, tomatoes, banana peppers, jalapeno peppers, pickles, heavy oil and vinegar, and some regular Piggly Wiggly brand chips, and a Sunkiss. Y'all, that's good. If y'all don't drink diet drinks and you trying to first start out with diet drinks, this is the drink to start with. Sunkiss, zero sugar, or Fanta zero sugar. You won't have a problem with it. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and eat my lunch, finish up my second half of the day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.